Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip S Lite and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. Before we start, if you want to set up the alarm clock on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the Zepp application. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon and select your Amazfit Bip S Lite from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down and find the watch alarm option and tap on it. And right here we can set up the alarm clock. We can tap on the add button, set the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping up and down on hours and minutes. Once you set the time, you can also tap on a period right here to select how often the alarm should repeat. And you have once, every day, Monday to Friday, and custom. Once basically means that the alarm will go off once and it will turn off. Every day it will repeat every day. Monday to Friday it will repeat on the weekdays, and custom allows you to select specific days. For example, you can select Monday and Saturday and then tap on OK. And once you're done setting up your alarm, tap on save to save it. And here we have it. We can enable or disable it by tapping on the switch. You can also add multiple alarms if you want to. You can also turn them on and off on your watch. So if you wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the side button, then press it again to open the menu. Scroll down through the menu, tap on the alarm icon, and here you will see the alarms, and you can enable them or disable them by tapping on the box next to them, like this. That's all you can do on your watch. You can only turn them on and off. Another thing you can do with the alarms is to remove them. So you can tap on the edit button and tap on the minus button next to them to remove them. Come on. Oh, like this. Okay. And that's about all. That's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.